Hey y'all, welcome back to Scobie Farms. And we got between 12 and 13% moisture, but we ran this a couple days ago and we're starting to read high moisture and we got a little bit of rain, so we had to give it a little bit of time to dry, but it's looking like it's gonna run okay now. He's gonna go ahead and shred the combine down here and we'll get a move on. Well, he's going to go ahead and keep running the combine. I'm going to go ahead and get some bins around so we can start filling some bins because he's going to fill up before we know it. But grain truck's down. I don't know what it's doing. It's having issues with just even freaking running now. I don't know what's wrong with it. Don't know a whole lot about big blocks, but other than that, we'll figure it out. But in the meantime, we got to get some bins around because we got to make do with what we got. So, well, he's still running some wheat, but after a little bit of effort, I was able to get all the grain carts lined up, and we'll be over there to meet him soon, and he'll start filling these right up. Well, it's a couple days later from those other videos, but we went ahead and knocked the rest of this little field out. This one's been reading consistent 14 and 15% moisture, and the straw seems pretty dang dry too. So we're gonna go ahead and get the 4430 fired up, and we're gonna go ahead and take some gravity wagons into town and sell some wheat this morning. Went ahead and got these two wagons filled up and the tires aired up, and we're gonna go ahead and run them to town. Get some quick moisture readings because you've been in the bins for a little bit of time now, but first bin read 14.4 and last bin read 14.8, so we're gonna go ahead and run these in and we'll see what the elevator says they are. Well, he went and ran another two bins in, and this is the last little bit we got of our fields, and we're gonna go run down and start running the neighbors' couple of fields, and hopefully we'll be able to get through that before the end of the night. Well, we got a decent field here to do. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this rear wagon and take the front one into town because that one's got a little bit of weed in it.